Okay guys, you're welcome to this easy worship tutorial. Many people has been asking me about lower third and easy worship and with ammunition that they can put lower third like image or so, but they want this one to be and a transition. There should be a transition in and transition out, like ammunition in, ammunition out. So I'll be doing this video in honor of my brother G-Tech. In case you want to get solar CCTV securities, all in all, you can contact G-Tech. So he said your administration, your topics, everything should be down here. Down here. Now, when you want to do such, you come to your presentation and you create it. But what you're going to do first, you have to create a theme for that. You come to theme, you come to presentation, you click on presentation, you click on right click, new presentation theme. So all this one you're going to delete it. Just delete them. Just delete this, delete, delete. So you now create your own title. So as a template, it's going to be a template where you can be editing on where you can edit on your presentation. So this is a theme you can be using to edit your template on the what is it called, on presentation. Now you type what you want to type, ministering. So my brother said he want the ministering to be bolder than the name of minister. So in this, you are going to resize it down, resize it down. So it's down now. You bring it down to the size of lower third. Then another one, the name of the minister, Pastor. Let's use this, Joshua John. Let's just use this as for this tutorial sake. Then you resize it. He said you want the name of the minister to be smaller than the ministering. I think he means something like this. So sorry about that. So I think he means something like this. Now you can't leave them like this. You have to put a background to fill in these ministering ministers. Then after you done this, you come to your inspector. That is where the main work is. You come to your inspector. You now said come to background here. You see this background. You choose media. And inside this media, you're going to choose your feed. What is feed? It can be your Droid Cam, it can be your normal live camera. So you choose your Droid Cam. This is your camera. You choose it. So you have chosen your camera now. Then you now come to transition. When you come to transition, the first thing you should do on your transition is lock background when possible. You click on it. You make sure you check it. Then you now come to this. What is that? What one should I choose now? I don't even know which one I should choose now. Let me choose push. Push will be okay. Now after you choose push, make sure you click on this one, your minister. Not for editing now, just click on it, let it highlight like this. Then you come to elements. When you come to elements, you come to fill. You choose it, you choose a color for it. You can choose a gradient color. Just choose this. You can edit it like this to make it more beautiful. And you choose this as well. You can just give it a color. So now you will now bring it down. Do we get it now? So this is it. Then this you can see the outline or the shadow is too much. You click on the particular one that you click on the topic or the text. You come to your outline, you reduce it. You can see it's more clear now. Do the same to the second one. You can see it's more clear. You can see the name is more clear now. It's not that deep again. Go to the shadow as well. Reduce the shadow. Reduce the shadow. So this is it. We've gotten it. Now you're going to use a name to save it. Say new or any name you want to use to save your template. You now apply it. After you apply it, you click OK. You now come here again, right click on it and set as default presentation theme. Don't mind me, I just installed this Easy Worship for this tutorial sake. So you now come to your presentation now. You right click it, new presentation. When you say new presentation, you can see it's here already. So all you will do now is just to edit this. Now if you want to write your topic, any other information, you now come here. You just come to this place, click on it. Then this one, this first number one, you're going to delete all this. Delete it. Then this second one will serve as a ministering Pastor Joshua. Then add another one. You can now set topic. You can now set topic of the message. Topic. Something like this. So you now bring this one, shift it a little bit. Be a great media man in church. So you can see it has chopped it. That it has chopped it. What you do now, you enlarge it. To enlarge it, you can see. Then this one now, you can just resize it. Resize it. You can see now. You can see. Then any other information, you can still add the same. Now you now save it as text. Where you'll be editing your text. Apply. Okay. Now let me connect my camera so that you can see the camera is here, but there's nothing, there's no loaded here. So it will serve as slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. You can arrange more information on it from to 10. You can arrange more information to 1 to 10. So slide 2 now is the name of the ministering. You can see ministering Pastor Joshua. Let me do this so that you be more highlighted. So you can see. Then topic now you can see, and the camera is still on. You can see the camera is still on. Topic: be a great man, media man in church. So if you want to take this lower third from it now, what you do is just click on this only your live feed. Where is it? There is it. You see, shift it away again. That is how you do it with transition in, transitions out. And I think this answers your question. And if you don't, if this one doesn't answer your question, do your own and tag me so that I may learn. Bye bye.